G'day folks, on today's to-do list, Mount Mitchell, which is out at the Border Ranges, about an hour and a half out of Brisbane, and it's actually near another well-known climb, Mount Cordeaux, which is to the left. You do the left side, Mount Cordeaux, to the right, Mount Mitchell. So it's about a 2.5, 3 hour return hike. Weather's conditions, pretty overcast, it's nice and cool. It's not too much sun around. Didn't pack any wet weather gear or cold weather clothes, so fingers crossed the conditions hold up.
10.2k.
10.2k there, you heard it first. It's actually a 3.5 hour return trip, so we'll see how we go. It's about midday now, so we'll just start her up. Stu's frothing at the bit for a bit of Mount Mitchell. He's not done this walk before, he's done Mount Cordeaux, but yeah. Anyway, a few people out, car parks chockers on this Sunday, school holidays brings them out. Let's get into it. Righto, first bit of signage, in a couple of different languages too. Sheer cliffs ahead, take care, keep control of children, so get your leashes out. Leash them up.
Got moss.
Yeah, so probably about 40 minutes in. I've just checked in with Strava, reckons we're about 4.9 kilometers in. And pretty good views. That'll be Mount Cordeaux. Lots of low cloud. Getting reasonably close. It's started to flat line out a little bit. It's getting a little bit flat. Not too sure we're going to get any real banger footage from the top here. Just peeking through on one side, it's very thickly shod with cloud. Bit of a warning sign there, just keep to the track. This looks like we're on a bit of a ridge here. Have a go with that view. Wow. And have a look at that cliff drop. Jeez. What do you make of that, Stu?
Yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Seriously, like, watch your step, because
Fresh up here too.
that's a hell of a drop. Probably not going to make it out on the GoPro, but the fog and mist is just powering up the cliff face. Speaking of cliff face, have a gaze at this. That is a hell of a drop.
The wind's blowing this way.
Yeah, that's a hell of a drop. Stu gives it the nod. Righto, so Operation Descent Down has begun. Unfortunately, the fog didn't clear, so couldn't get the mighty Mavic out with some drone shots. Bit of a shame, but no. What did it take us? Probably about an hour and a half to the top, you reckon, Stu?
Actually, yeah, I think just over an hour.
Yeah, I reckon probably an hour 10, hour 20. And not too steep at all.
Virtually this all the
Pretty
way.
much, yeah, just virtually footpath all the way.
Almost wheelchair accessible.
Or you could almost say, yep, paraplegic friendly. Paraplegic friendly almost. home straight. Conditions have turned, the heavens have opened, she's starting to rain a little bit. Mount Mitchell wrap up here, we're just coming to the end of the trail, end of the hike. Yeah, easy hike down, very easy. Not too technical at all, just need some good fitness. Would you agree, Stu?
Yeah, pretty leisurely walk in the park.
Yeah. And right, and that's Mount Mitchell done. What? And that's a wrap, that's Mount Mitchell done. As the heavens open,